Systems by substitution with an isolated variable. After watching this video, I will be able to solve a system of equations by substitution when the variable is isolated. Recall that when we have two equations within one problem, this is known as a system, and it can be solved by graphing the two lines to find the point where they intersect. And our answer was given as an ordered pair, meaning x comma y. There is a second way to solve a system of equations, and that is using the method of substitution, which basically means we are going to substitute what something equals with something else. So in this example, we have y is equal to -1 and negative 3x minus 2y is equal to 8. Because I know that the letter y is equal to the number -1. Everywhere I see the letter y, I can replace that with the number -1. So I will rewrite this second equation as negative 3x minus 2. But now the y will become -1 in parentheses, so I do not get confused. And then I go back and finish equals 8. So all I did was take my second equation and replace the letter y with number -1. And now I can solve this equation because I have one variable. So remember your steps to solving equations. We first have to simplify. So I will multiply -2 times -1, which gives me +2. And then I'm just going to rewrite everything else so I do not get confused. Now I have a two-step equation, so I need to isolate my variable. First, I'm going to isolate my variable term by getting rid of the number not attached to the letter. And remember, we have to do the opposite. So 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. And I'm going to write what's left over. So negative 3x equals 8 minus 2 is 6. And now we're going to solve the one-step equation. Because the -3 is being multiplied with x, the inverse will be to divide by the same number. So -3 divided by -3 is equal to just 1. So x is by itself. 6 divided by -3 is equal to -2. Now, remember we said we must have the answer as an xy coordinate. So what is my x coordinate and my y coordinate? Well, my x coordinate is what we just solved. X is equal to -2. And my y from the original starting point is equal to -1. Again, I want to solve the system of equations by using substitution. Because y is equal to 4x minus 8, that means I can replace y with that expression. So I'm going to take my first equation, and everywhere I see the letter y, I will replace it with 4x minus 8. So I have -2x plus 4. Now in parentheses, I will write 4x minus 8. Don't forget to go back to the original equation and finish. So equals -4. Now I'm going to solve the equation for x. Remember, we must simplify first. So I'm going to distribute. So 4 times 4 is 16. We're talking about x. 4 times -8 is -32. And then I'm just going to bring down everything else. Now I want to combine like terms. Because I have two x's there, I can just combine the -2 and the 16, which gives me 14x. -32 stays, -4 stays. Now I have a two-step equation which I can solve. So I'm going to isolate the variable term by getting rid of the 32. Because it's minus 32, I will do plus 32. So I'm left with 28. Bring down everything else. Now I want to isolate the variable by dividing by 14. So now x is equal to 2. Remember, you want to have your answer as an xy ordered pair. I know that x is now equal to the number 2. But I don't know what y equals in terms of just one number, but I do know that y is equal to whatever 4x minus 8 is. Because I now know that x is equal to 2, I can replace the letter x with the number 2. So 4 times 2 is 8, and then 8 minus 8 is 0. So y is equal to 0. So that means that my ordered pair answer to this question is 2, 0.